Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be trying this Dr. Jart Clearing Solution Ultra Fine Microfiber Sheet Mask. I have it since God knows when. It's not expired yet. It says it expires in 2020 May 13th. So I'll be using this and see how I like it. And this mask is supposed to address troubled complexion, conceals and cleans blemish prone skin. So the reason why I grabbed this one is because I've been breaking out for some reason. But yeah, this is what I'll be trying today. And so let's just get started. Alright, so the first thing that it says here is to cleanse and apply your toner. My face is clean. I am moving to step number 2, which is to peel off and discard the film liner and apply mask, adjusting around the eyes and mouth. And it says to leave it for 10 to 20 minutes. Then remove the mask and gently pat remaining serum until fully absorbed. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just taking it out of the little pouch like so, and in here I still have some serum at the bottom, and then I'm unfolding this. This is not a cleansing mask, this is a hydrating blemish fighting mask. So this is not going to bubble like the last one I wore here. And all I have to do now is to line my eyes and lips with the mask guidelines. This is really cold. Oh, yeah. Feels nice though, like the cold feels nice because I was a little hot right now under these lights. Today I decided to get my artificial lighting because I waited too late to start filming, so the sun disappeared on me. Plus it gets really dark very early on, so that's why I had to go back to my little friends here. So they're hot. I look weird. But this is what we need to work with. So it's going to be on my face for the next 20 minutes. I would say 15 minutes. And I'll be back with final results or steps. Set a timer for 15 minutes.
Okay, 15 minutes and counting.
Alright, so it's been 15 minutes, so what I'm going to do is just remove this. And I will massage the remaining serum on my face, which has a lot. It's extremely liquidy in here. Let me see if you can see, guys. So what I'll be doing is just putting the serum on my hand here and just pretty much going to town. And I always put everything also down my neck because it's skincare, so my neck can also use some of it. So all you have to do is massage everything on your face and your neck for that matter, and pat. And enjoy the time that you spend pampering yourself because you're worth it. Alright, so some thoughts about this mask. I feel that my skin is hydrated, and as you guys can see, it looks hydrated. I just have to see how this will work on the blemishes that I already have, let's say within the next days. And so I'll see if I will repurchase this. Well, as of now, the way it feels and makes my skin look, I feel like I will repurchase at some point. I guess once I try it once again, then I will have a better informed decision about if it did work on the blemishes or not. What I will do though is to save some of the serum that's in here, because I still have about this much serum right here, and I will put it on my face tomorrow morning. So what I will do is I will just save this, and I will actually put it in my refrigerator and save it. So I hope that you enjoyed watching me use this ultra fine microfiber sheet. Well guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found this video helpful. So maybe in the future, if you were trying to get this Dr. Jart ultra microfiber sheet, maybe this video facilitated your decision. Anyway, so I hope that you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, please thumbs up and subscribe, share the video, and we'll see each other again soon. Take care. Bye. So I hope that it was helpful, that you found it helpful. That's the ambulance. And they won't go away. That's the fun part. They will not go away. Okay, so finally the ambulance left the building.